Hey, I'm really excited. I just got this sent to me. This is a Rooftop Carrier basket. This one actually is great because it comes with a waterproof basket as well as a cargo net and some ratcheting straps. So let's take a look at it, get it put together and installed on the vehicle. This is the way it looks inside the box. You do got to put it together a little bit. Doesn't look like it's going to be too difficult. All right, it actually goes together very easily here. You just slide it together. You get these little screws that you're going to put on both sides. And as you can see here, you just slide this rubber sleeve over the top. And it kind of hides those screws and keeps those protected. I really like that it has this nice powder coating on it. Gives it a nice shine to it, helps keep it in good shape. So the way you attach this to your crossbars, you just take this, slide it through here. This is going to go over the wire rack. Nicely fits in there like that. And then you take these little twist nuts here and you twist one on each side. Let me show you what it looks like when it's installed. And there it is, installed on top of our vehicle here. We put this on a small SUV. Right there's how it clamps onto it. As you can see, this just goes right under the crossbar. This piece goes right there. The other one latches it on. And then you just use these to tighten it up. Very strong, very sturdy. This here is the waterproof cargo bag that goes on top. And I had something similar before, but this one is really nice. My other one fell apart pretty easy from a different company. This one here, I really like it. It's very strong vinyl here. It has these straps here that you can attach it to the top. It does have this heavy duty zipper that goes there, and then it folds down and actually has Velcro to keep that down as well. So as you can see here, the zipper actually gets covered. It helps keep it waterproof, and then on top of that it folds down and Velcro. So this is really awesome. Here's all the accessories that it comes with. You see it has this hook for being able to reach up and adjust things up on the top. It does come with these nice ratchet straps here, always handy to have. Comes with this cargo net. So in case you don't want to use the waterproof carrier, you can just use the cargo net. And then it does come with these plastic adjustable straps as well. This is what it looks like strapped up on there, real nice and secure. And you can even see while driving, it stays very nice and secure. So if you're looking for a cargo carrier, the roof rack, this one is great. It comes with the waterproof bag. It comes with the cargo net and some ratchet straps. It looks sharp and it works very well.